Oscillating blade cutter. So we first is the software. When it started to ask you back origin, it's like a normal router. Back origin, you're gonna see this one starting to up and going to reset by itself, like a normal CNC router. You can also see this is basically the base of our either routers. So the operation are actually quite similar, but this one, besides the XYZ axis, it has another rotating axis. I'm gonna show you. So once it's done, you can see the screen. Like this is a feed rate override. The G00 is empty run override, RPM override, and then this is moving. You can see the y-axis moving. This is stepping. You can have different stepping distance. Then you can have low speed or high speed. You can move faster, and Z. Then you can see there's a C. C plus C minus is C is the rotating axis. If you focus on the rotating, and the spindle lift current function we didn't use because we didn't have a mechanism on the spindle. A vacuum is at the vacuum pump. And the vibrating blade, you can see this is vibrating now. If pointing this side, this motor is vibrating, this whole thing is vibrating, so the blade is vibrating. Then another one is up and down. You can see this button is get the oscillating blade up and down.